So let's just do a walkthrough really quick to make sure that you're doing it how I think you're doing it. Because if you're doing it how I think you're doing it, then there's, I would say, something else causing a problem. So let's go to patch. Let's go to automatic approval. And by the way, this is called automatic patch approval rule. It's actually just an automatic approval rule, or sorry, an automatic patch rule, because you can approve, decline, etc. So say you have drivers and then you've gone ahead and selected, let's just pretend you've selected everything that matches drivers. Now you might have come in, and what I could see as a problem is that I've come into maybe Windows and selected Windows 10 or Windows 11, or maybe you're missing some stuff under Windows, right? Now, because it's only targeting drivers and you want to block every single driver, I would simply come up and select every single product in this entire, and we're going to call this decline all drivers, because it doesn't matter the product. If Microsoft classifies it as a driver, it's going to get blocked, right? Then what you're saying is, I have now declined it. Now, are you declining it across every single one of your patch rules? So here are my patch rules. I've got Monday, patch it ASAP, servers, blah, blah, blah. These are all of my patch rules. If you have it declined across all of your patch rules, then yes, immediate, it should work. And you may, here, let me scroll down and see if you asked something else. You haven't yet, but that is how I would do it. And maybe you've missed something. That's all I can think of. Otherwise, something is not working. Now, you may want to, what I would tell you is, you may want to delete that particular configuration that you have, right? So come back, just pretend I saved this. And here's my decline, all drivers. I would come in and I would delete that and rebuild it, okay? Because it should work based on what we're discussing. And if it's not, that is a support issue 100%.